Since 2013, Prudential Lighting's NanoCove has been a go-to for concealed cove illumination. And while it works well for a broad range of applications, it's not a one-size-fits-all solve. So we've scaled it down even more. Introducing NanoCove, designed with the precision optics you want in an ultra-compact size for seamless tiny cove lighting. Now you can achieve smooth, even ceiling illumination with an LED array small enough to fit in 3x1 coves. A single continuous system with uninterrupted LED pitch spacing, NanoCove is available in 3 distributions, with remote drivers that span up to 36 feet at low output. Our hard ceiling wash, with its low beam angle, is perfect for 6-inch to 18-inch cove heights, featuring micro-cove-like light distribution at half the cove size. We also offer a soft ceiling wash and a tilted lambertian for sloped ceilings and similar applications, with 30 degrees of rotation for precise aiming. NanoCove has simple vertical adjustability, allowing for customization to fit any cove height, 1 inch or taller. And consistent back-of-cove lighting is achieved with an optional adjustable flange. Created with contractors in mind, NanoCove installations are fast and easy. Available in 1 to 8 foot fixtures with custom lengths in 1-inch increments for outstanding wall-to-wall illumination, NanoCove is a welcome addition to Prudential Lighting's superior series of asymmetric luminaires.